Well, I think that the year 2010 was a very successful year for us, and also the first month of 2011, although a little bit overshadowed at the moment by the events of the 18th of February, the assassination of the German soldiers. I'm saying this, and to give you an example, if you, for instance, take the Kunduz-Baghlan corridor, we have now access to both of the Shawad arrays, the southern and the northern. We have the chance to go very deep into the Dandegore area, areas in which I hadn't thought we would have a chance to go in if you had asked me some month ago. We are also successful in the area west of Mazar-e Sharif, as well as in the Faryab Gormach area. So we have done a lot. The key question from my point of view now is the question, is it irreversible, yes or no? Again, we have made progress, and I think this year will show, 2011, whether it's irreversible or not. We are on a good way. I think we have taken out a lot of the Taliban leaders at the low and the medium level. We had got a lot of the what I call the foot soldiers. So now we have to continue with this. Important is we have the momentum at the moment, and we have to keep it.